it's Jessica Shaneyfelt here, and I have Miss Cynthia Slover with us from the University of South Alabama. So today we are cooking sweet potato casserole. So it's a very old family recipe that I have, and I cook this every single Thanksgiving, every single Christmas. So I hope y'all like it, and it will encourage you guys to try it out yourselves.
The first step in making your sweet potato casserole is to peel your sweet potatoes and then cube them and boil them. Once you have boiled your sweet potatoes, you are going to put them in a 9x13 baking dish, and then you're going to add your sugar, milk, eggs, butter, vanilla, and your cinnamon. And go ahead and mash your sweet potatoes and mix everything in the baking dish. You could mix it in a bowl, but that's just more dishes to wash. So I just prefer to do it all in a baking dish.
So for this step, and I think this is probably the best part of this recipe, you are going to make the topping. So you're going to mix a 1/3 cup of butter melted, a cup of light brown sugar, half a cup of flour, and a cup of chopped pecans all together, and it's going to make like a crumbly mixture. And then you're just going to sprinkle that on top of your sweet potato casserole. So the last thing you're going to do is you're going to bake the casserole for 10 minutes at 350 degrees, then pull it out and put the marshmallows on top, and then bake it for an additional 15 minutes. I would say just check it every few minutes just to make sure you are not burning your marshmallows.
All right, we have Carl Lewis, and he's going to taste our sweet potato casserole.
It's good.
It is, isn't it? Yep, delicious.